Hi, hello, good morning everyone. So, welcome to yet another English class. Today, we are going to discuss the sixth chapter in your textbook, and it is given in page number 33. The name of the chapter is The Mighty Banyan. So, have you seen banyan tree? Yes, I know all of you have seen banyan tree. It is very big tree. Okay, let's move into the chapter. Just as tall men are often the most gentle, so are big trees the most friendly. The banyan is probably the biggest and friendliest of all our trees. So it is saying that as tall men, as that men who have height, tall men are very gentle and soft like that. Big trees are very friendly. Big trees are very friendly with man. These trees need plenty of space in which they spread themselves. So, it cannot be seen in cities because it is a big tree and it needs plenty of space. It needs a lot of space. A full-grown banyan tree takes up space as much as a 3-storied building. Of course, many parks have banyan trees and almost every village has one. So, this banyan tree needs a 3-story building height. That means a building that has 3-storied building height. This banyan tree will go up to a 3-storied building height. And every park has banyan trees. Every village have banyan trees. The banyan tree has aerial root, that is, its branches drop to the ground and take root again and send out more twisting, trailing branches. In a few years, the banyan tree looks like a mini forest. So, this banyan tree has got aerial roots. That means this tree is spread like this and roots will be grown downwards from the branches. And within years, this banyan tree will look like a forest. It will look like a mini forest. The aerial roots of the banyan are like pillars supporting a great palace. The main trunk of the banyan is not very deeply rooted, and that is why it needs to put out supporting roots. So naturally, it needs plenty of space in which it puts out its supporting roots. Tiny gardens and busy roadsides won't do, nor should it be planted too close to your house. You might find it growing through your bedroom wall. And this banyan tree needs a lot of space, so roadsides cannot be taken for growing a banyan tree, and we cannot place banyan tree near our house because its branches will grow and spread, and the other thing is its roots will grow into the walls. It is great fun to climb a banyan tree. It has many branches which are strong and comfortable. We can sit on them. It is always cool and shady under the banyan tree. Apart from boys and girls who love to climb the banyan tree, it has many more visitors. Birds, squirrels, insects and flying foxes all live in the tree, which is full of dark private corners suitable for a variety of tenants. So this tree has got strong branches where we can sit, and this tree is very friendly, and this tree serves as home to many birds and insects. The banyan tree is rather like a hotel in which a number of families live next door to each other without interfering in each other's business. So this banyan tree is like a hotel because this hotel has got so many rooms and so many people live in different rooms. Like that, this banyan tree also has so many tenants, so many insects and birds living in the banyan tree, and they will not disturb each other. The young pink tender leaves are visited by the delicate map butterflies who leave their egg in their cage. The honey on the leaves, a sticky sweet smear, attracts our grey-striped squirrels. In the monsoon, the banyan tree's branches are full of little red figs. We can't eat these figs, but birds love this fruit. So, this pink leaves, pink tender leaves are there on this banyan tree, and butterflies come to the banyan tree. And they leave their eggs. Butterfly will lay eggs on banyan tree. Then squirrels come to the banyan tree. So many animals, so many insects and so many birds come to the banyan tree. The other thing is, in the monsoon season, in the rainy season, this banyan tree has got red colored figs, red colored fruit called figs. Fig. and we cannot eat this fig, but birds love to eat this fig. Is that clear for you? Okay, so we will discuss the rest of the chapter in the other class. So I hope you all are clear with this chapter, and if you have any doubt, you can clear with me in the Zoom section. Okay, thank you.